what is a naughty face? Or like a naughty face is my children when they kind of look as if they've done nothing. It's like, you know, and I know they've done something bad. Ciao, it's Marco from the Delivita family, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to make something a little bit naughty, a Nutella pizza. But not just Nutella pizza, we're gonna top it up with marshmallow and strawberry, okay? Let's get into it. Off we go with we're gonna make our sweet pizza, okay? Which is fun to do with your kids. You know, this is a family favorite, the Nutella pizza. Okay, so technique is the same. Okay, you spread your center, leaving your cornicione on the side, and then grab the cornicione and let the gravity do everything else, okay? So this same technique is cooking a pizza. So I've seen many times, you know, making the mistake of people putting the pizza into the oven with the Nutella on top, but what's gonna happen, you'll burn the Nutella basically. So we make some incision, okay? Like so, yeah, all around it. Off we go. Nice size, boom. Into the oven, okay? Just to kind of lightly cook. You'll see the pizza going like a balloon now, because there is no ingredient to weigh it down. With the cuts I did, it will become less of a balloon, let's say, okay? You don't need to cook it too much, okay? Half cooked, okay? Because the pizza has to go in again with the Nutella after, okay? So you see it's cooking. I can hear it even whistling, you know, the hair. And so that's gorgeous, it's cooking beautifully. And that's what we want, yeah? Like a half-cooked pizza. Okay, now Nutella on top, and it will spread very well because your pizza is hot. Guarda che bello, beautiful. In fact, in summer I went to ice cream shop, which is the name was Mi sciolgo, which means I'm melting. It's pretty cool, huh? I think this is the only pizza you can go to the edge a little bit more than I would, you know, because the kids want Nutella everywhere. Okay, that's gorgeous. Marshmallow, bam, everywhere. Bam, 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 bam. Now we're doing the marshmallow and we're going in, but the strawberries, we're gonna top it with the strawberries after, We don't want to cook now the strawberry. Boom. Okay, now we need to be quick, real quick. The marshmallows are caramelizing, beautiful. And off we go. Finish it with our strawberries. I put the strawberries so I don't feel too bad about, you know, all this madness, chocolate and marshmallow. I might put some basil as well. No, don't put basil. It's not gonna leak. No, it's not. Maybe if I put the Nutella here. I just had the vision of the glass exploding and my hand pinch the knife. Imagine. Yeah, don't try this at home. This is gorgeous though. This is like very, very naughty, this pizza. Does it look good? Yeah. Great. And there you have it. It's the pizza with Nutella marshmallow, topped up with strawberry. And let's dig into it. It's really like quite, almost you feel bad about, you know, how nice it is. Super naughty. You know, my kids, when we do pizza night, they always ask for the Nutella pizza with the marshmallow. is that I put all the effort to prepare all these great ingredients, and the only thing they want is the marshmallow. But okay.